What's up? Welcome to today's video, and you know what's going on here. I mean, the routine of it all. Let's do it. Today will be our December Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm unboxing. It's a Boxycharm unboxing. That's what this is. And let me just say that I feel like this video is a little bit more important than the other ones because I just started Boxycharm January of this year. Literally every month, I think I missed one, but every month I did a Boxycharm video. And so this is my first full year of Boxycharm. I'm so proud. I feel like a rewards member, and I feel like this just goes to show my loyalty. I'm telling you, like, I do this. You know what I'm saying? I did that. We're not gonna prolong it. I feel like today's gonna be short though. Kind of got a glimpse of what's in the box. So we shall see. So today's theme, or this month's theme, is bubbles and glitz. So obviously that's in celebration of the new year. It's on this is me forget it's on the acquaintance be forget. All right, so the first item in the box is the Artist Couture, shout out to Mac Daddy, a Caliente palette. Turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Caliente fantasy. The palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. I've seen this a million times. I've never owned anything from Artist Couture. My budget. Just being real with ya. Thank God for Boxycharm. And this is very nice. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. Okay. So we'll be playing with that. Feel free to tune in. Ofra Cosmetics Pressed Banana Powder. A matte powder, lightly banana scented and extremely versatile. Use it to conceal dark under eye circles, set concealer in foundation, highlight, or even as a matte eyeshadow. That's a lot of duties for one product. Okay. So this is what we have here. When we open it up, it says banana. Yep, that's what I expected. So we have, oh gosh, this is so washed out. Oh my, it's yellow. Oh, look, yellow. It's yellow. So I'm gonna use this to further set or brighten my under eyes in, you know, my foundation, you know, the concealer step. So we'll be putting that to good use here. Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss. Remember the first time you were lip gloss and how it made you feel? I do. My first lip gloss was Carmex. That's what I considered it because I've had chapped lips since I came out of the womb. Okay, added nourishing oils to create a comfortable high shine formula that you actually want to wear. They said it. Those other lip glosses, you don't even really be wanting to wear those. That's what they said. It's all a front. It's a flex. You don't even want to wear it. So this is the lip gloss right here. Very cute. We'll take that out. Quick swatch here. That's a beautiful shade. That would look, I feel like it would look good on its own because it's sheer enough, and over something else because it's sheer enough. Vizard, oh, that's bougie. Seamless Eye Primer. It works with all eyeshadows to ensure crease-free and vibrant wear. So here we have that, like the packaging because it's brown. Because brown is all I think about these days. And Vizard, very nice. Let's see what that feels like. Okay, we'll see what it does in the eyes. It feels a bit very movable. I usually like something tacky on the eyes, but we will give this a shot. And the last thing, the Luxie Iconic Eye Set. First step to achieving the perfect smoky eye, cut crease, or bowl cut eye. The right set of brushes. Okay, they're telling you what you need. Here is the package right here. Everything is so washed out. I switched everything around because, you know, every now and then I switch things around. Y'all know that. I can't, my room can't be in the same setting for too long. So these are the brushes. We have a nice fluffy one here, flat one here, packing. Good for eyebrow carving here. We have a pencil brush and then a bigger fluffy brush. So this is very nice, and the handles are pink. Don't know if you guys can tell. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and do my eye look. So that'll be time-lapsed, of course, with some nice music over it. And then after that, we'll go ahead and set the concealer, and that's literally all we have today. Because for the eye look, I'm gonna use the brushes and the primer and the eyeshadow palette, and the only things we have left are the banana powder, which I will use to set over my concealer. So we'll see how that works. And then the last thing will be the lip gloss. What a box, huh? That's what we are going to do. Let's get started. face. So I have the eye look on. It's looking really good. I really hope you guys can see the distinction between that yellow golden shade. Oh my, let me turn my light down and see if it helps. Do y'all see the distinction? Like when I turn this light off over here, you can see. Oh, it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna put this on my other eye, go ahead and put on the face. Once we get to the concealer step, we'll use that banana powder, and then yeah. Caliente. All right, so we are back. I am mid foundation, and so we're gonna get into setting our concealer with the Ofra pressed banana powder. I'm very interested to see what this is going to do. All right, so we're gonna wish that around here. Oh. And then we go in. So this is just a fluffy brush from Morphe. Press that in on both sides. Okay, so I'm looking close up here. I should have exfoliated before this video, that's for sure. But this looks good. I must say I like the color of this. I've been going more banana side of powders lately because I want to add more yellow into my foundation. But I am not mad at this. I'm gonna go ahead in and set the rest of my concealer areas. This is definitely a less messy alternative to like setting your, you know, concealer. I'm gonna go in and finish. We'll come back and go ahead and see what this powder gives once everything is joined together. So yeah, BRB again. All right, so we have the rest of our face on. I feel like that banana powder just is making me feel very light. Like I don't really have a lot on my face, like a full beat, you know? It's just, powder is always significant for me because I take it seriously, because you know I'm oily in the T-zone, so I just take it really seriously, and like I feel like it's just making me feel like almost like I don't have any makeup on, and I kind of like it. It's just making me feel lighter. Like I know I have the look, but I don't have the feeling, and that is the goal, people. I don't know, I like it. Okay, so let's get into the gloss, and this was the Persona gloss, and I thought about lining my lips, but I'm just gonna slap this on, honestly. Like, I'm gonna slap it on and just see what it does on its own. I like this. Tell me what you guys think. I think this is really, really nice. So let's run down the prices. So the palette is $30. The pressed banana powder is $35. The lip gloss is $16. The eye primer is $24. And the iconic eye set, the brush set, is $45. The most expensive thing in the box this month is the brush set. That's insane. And so the price of this month's box is $150 even. So all that for 26 bucks. Do we have to keep repeating ourselves? Yes, we do. Because some people still don't get it because you're still not subscribed. It baffles me every time. Every time. I think that this month's box was a really good box. Definitely introduced me to something new with that banana powder. I wish I had things that had more to do with the face. You know, like, I feel like everything had to do with the eyes, and then they threw in a gloss. You know, just here's a gloss. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Boxycharm video. Be sure to subscribe. Click that bell so you get notifications every week when I post, because it is once a week at this point. I am thinking about going to 2, but just give me a moment, okay? Because I live a real life, so like I have to schedule this stuff, okay? I love y'all. Bye.